Developing a cybersecurity plan should be a priority for any business. A cybersecurity plan will identify what assets need to be secured, what threats and risks to focus on, and which safeguards to implement, all in order of priority. Here are 10 steps to help you prepare a cybersecurity plan for your business. Step 1. Complete the simple cybersecurity status self-assessment tool attached to this training guide. This will identify gaps and options in cybersecurity in your business. Step 2. Identify all business assets, such as computers and business information, and determine their importance and value to the business. Step 3. Discuss cybersecurity threats with employees or outside experts and determine which assets are at risk of harm if one or more of those threats occur. Step 4. Prioritize risks as high, medium, or low. With the help of employees or outside experts, determine what can be done to reduce those risks. Step 5. Evaluate the threats, risks, and potential security safeguards and then decide what can and should be done to improve cybersecurity in the current year. Often, one improvement can be planned in conjunction with another to help reduce overall costs. For example, if you are already setting up a network firewall, there may be options to help deal with malware or spam within the firewall. Step 6. Set attainable target dates for all identified cybersecurity tasks and security safeguards that you plan to purchase. Step 7. Identify resources that will be needed to implement the plan in the first year, including people, time, and money. Step 8. List any issues that may hinder your plan, such as a lack of personnel or budget. Step 9. Start implementing the plan. Step 10. Repeat Step 3. Threat evaluation at a minimum of once per year. Make sure to keep track of any changes in the plan and inform all affected parties to avoid confusion. For example, if you have hired a security expert to help set up a firewall and find that spam has become a more urgent priority, you may need to adjust your plan either to focus on spam or to incorporate spam blocking within the firewall. You should also evaluate progress at every year end and make any necessary adjustments. In most cases, a multi-year cybersecurity plan will need some updates to accommodate for changing priorities and business capability. While the process to develop a cybersecurity plan may seem daunting at first, remember that you can always revisit and expand your plan over time.
Yes!
Budgeting for cybersecurity. Having an effective cybersecurity plan costs money and must be taken into account when drawing up your annual business plans and budgets. Fortunately, there are some free services, tools, and advice available. Additionally, policies or internal documents can often be developed in-house at minimal cost. But some key things, like security safeguards, will have to be purchased and may also involve annual subscription fees. For example, unlike software that you typically pay a one-time fee for, a subscription to anti-malware software might need to be renewed monthly or annually. To avoid surprise expenses, it is best to allow for the following: the first-time cost of any security tools, as well as upgrade or update fees. Any support, consulting, or training costs.
Thanks.
Contingencies. Contingency funds are important to deal with unforeseen emergencies. In some cases, your insurance may cover losses due to a cybersecurity incident. It is important to discuss this with your insurance provider in advance.